Come on, copper. Where are you? We need more of it. Is this this is as good as it's going to get here. Oh, actually, this is the cut-off point here where it started being the full supply. It could be a bit better, actually. I think we may need to improve it some more. Not all of these furnaces are running, it appears, which is a bit strange, actually, because I have 12 mining drills, don't I? Oh, actually, it looks like there could be some build-up on the line, so maybe we can do something about that. We may need to put a belt balancer in to sort out that problem. Yeah, we've got some mining drills that are not active. That is no good at all. So let's fix that. Nice and simple. With my patented Bentham corner belt balancer, whatever, I don't know, multi-use thing. So hopefully this should run down now. This one switched on, that I think was off. These two still off. In fact, I think we need to put some faster belts here. Have I invented faster belts yet? I don't think I have. I know what I can do. If I do that, and then that, there we go. That's got it balanced again. So now these, actually it's not perfectly balanced, but I think it's better than before. Yeah, because it was 2 on one side and 10 on the other side before, so it's now 7 on one side and 5 on the other side. So it's nearly perfectly balanced, and that looks good. It's all run down. It's all filling up the belt nicely. So we should get an improvement in our copper production in a minute, which should help some more with things. Iron's still looking fine. In fact, the ore's built up over here, I guess, because the plates are built up. Excellent. This is all good news. All we need now is for copper to really start properly flowing, and we can get the factory going really nice and fast. The smelting area was a good idea. I'm glad I did it. And now I feel like putting out some more solar panels. Even though it looks like the power system's fine now, it's a good idea to keep things improving so that you increase your power production, and in turn it's longer before you have trouble with power, because the base is always going to keep on growing. And so even if right now you have more than enough power stuff, one day will not be enough unless you keep growing. We need another one of those, because I forgot to resupply on those before I built the things. Power armor's half research now. That's the thing, at the moment we don't really need any of the research that's happening. We're doing fine without it, I guess. Though what we need to do is get to some military technologies, because the time is approaching where we need to go out and start doing some biter killing. We're probably going to have to go a very long way to do some biter killing, because we still haven't even spotted any with the radar. I guess we need to build more radars. I think we have 2, don't we? Yeah, but that's all we have. Right, go down here, plonk down that, sorted. Maybe I should get the bots on these sort of jobs, considering I have to go grab one of these things every time. I think it's about time we started setting up a proper logistics network. Let's see about doing that. Let's plonk this one here. This seems like a good place to put it. And can we do the same further along here without getting in the way of stuff? I guess we can, because all this is temporary. There. Okay, so we do have to deconstruct the accumulator and substation stuff for that. That's a bit of a problem, but we can do it. Let's do it, because I want to get a logistics network. Now that I've had a taste of what logistics is capable, I've always known what logistics can do, but now I also know about construction bots. I finally learned their ways and can now utilize them. Let's grab another 2 of these. These are going to be taxing on our power system, unfortunately, but it should be able to take it alright. There we go. We need a pylon. We don't have any. Where are the pylons? Oh, they're all the way back over in thingy direction. Back towards the factory. Right, well, I've gone and broken this, I think. Actually, we've got another stack of 8 here, so I guess what we can do is... No, everything's... My inventory's, my hotbar's full of rubbish. Let's get rid of some of this. One of our usual clean out, so we don't want any of these things here. Can we get rid of these? That chest is full. Let's just stick them in the side. We can get these, so we have another 8 solar panels now, but we really need to just deconstruct all this stuff because it's just getting in the way. So I think we'll do that now. Probably. Why isn't this building anything? It needs more advanced circuits. We probably need to be working on that system next. How is... Oh, circuits is working now, look! The copper's built up. Excellent. Blue science is still not going at full pelt, but it should be improving. What we now need to do is actually put some more circuit production in, I think. What's that doing now? That's in the way. The time has come where we can add in another set of circuit factory stuffs. And we need some substations for this. I just deconstructed their production, didn't I? I guess I got some. Did I? I don't see any. Maybe I didn't. Maybe there weren't any being produced. I'll mouse over it. No, there aren't any. That's weird. So the assembler making them just didn't manage to make any. I guess it's a really bad shortage of advanced circuits then. Okay, we'll just build it with the normal power poles. Oh, I've got big electric poles now anyway. Where did they come from? Have I had them the whole time? Right, let's go back over and hook up that the roboport again then. Well, not again. This has never been hooked up. There we go. So, how's the grid now? Doing well. We need to expand it up, really. That'd be a big help. We have one thing here, so let's go stick that up somewhere. Line it up right. And now I need to actually go over there so I can build it. There we go, and connect it to the grid. Oh, there we go, just about. How are we for modules now? Oh, actually modules is pretty broken still. I was imagining they'd built up massively by now, but I guess not. Right, back to doing our stuff over here. I guess we'll do that. And, oh, power armor has been researched. Excellent. What next? Energy shields. Why not? Okay, so we need this and this and this and this and this and this. Give it some power. And then this and this and... oh. I like to keep the pattern the same. It's nicer that way. Then output, and we need some long-armed inserters. We have plenty. These are the input. And then we'll extend, whoops, we'll extend all of these. And this. Oh, we're out of conveyor belts. No! We're so close. Let's go over and grab some. Oh, actually, we can steal them from here. It's enough. It's enough to finish off what we were doing. And now we need to give them all the jobs. Now what's the... there we go. There, I learned this recently. That you can just copy the jobs of things and it's a little bit quicker. Right, so this shouldn't be too much for the copper again, but that isn't too important because we're still getting a ton more in the way of circuits than we were before. And that's sort of the important thing. In fact, things have shut down a bit on this end, so yeah, we've definitely got enough. In fact, the copper will probably build up now because these bits have shut down a little bit. So yeah, look at this. Loads of circuits coming through. And loads of smart inserters, hopefully. Are these all running? 3 of them are. We don't have a build-up of blue science yet, but we can hope. We can dream of the day. Right. What next? What to work on now? We've got the... oh, I know what we should do. We should do advanced circuits because they're completely broken right now. Let's put another 3 assemblers on. That should definitely be enough for it to work properly. Now what we need is some more belts, so I'm going to have to steal them from here again because I'm too lazy to go and get them from the correct place. Can we steal them off here? Yoink. Oops, I don't want the inserters as well. I just want the belts. Give me the belts. There we go. Oops. Stupid things in the way. There it is. That should be enough. We've got a stack of them. So we'll put in the long-armed inserters. And then the fast inserters. And then the output. That's in the way. Let's get this right. Like so and so. And now all we need is the power poles, and we need the special longer ones because there's too much stuff in the way, so I'll have to go and actually grab those. And I guess we'll get some conveyor belts while we're there, a proper supply of them. It looks like we've managed to gather a few random bits of ore as well. We could do with getting rid of those. How's that mining drill going? Still got plenty left. We'll go over here, grab ourselves some more conveyors, and we probably need a bit more in the way of underground belts. Yes, we do. Keep it at 20. Splitters should be fine for now. And oh wait, oh, power's gone. What's it done? What's wrong with power? What's happened? The accumulators have gone catastrophically wrong. What did I do? It may just be that the power consumption. Oh, is it? I think it may be the roboports. I may have broken it with the roboports, and plus the general increase in power stuff. So now we need to get some more solar panels in place. Let's grab a few of these actually, because we keep using them. Well, we'll just have 10 because we don't need tons of them at any one time. Why have I got pipes in my hotbar? I'm not doing anything with pipes at the moment. I have far too many normal inserters now because I accidentally hoovered them up off the green science supply. Ride along these belts to get back. Copper's not looking great still. We could do with improving it some more. Right, let's put the inserters in here. Have fun with that. And let's go over here. Do this. Oh, perfect. That supplied all of them. And then we just need to... Oh, wow, the power's gone really wrong. Well, I guess it's because it's not fixed. Whoops. There we go. Get them all working. Oh, this has not worked. Why has it not worked? Why has it not worked? This looks fine. Well, that was weird. I'm pretty sure that belt was pointing in the right direction, and it just didn't go. Interesting. Anyway, we've now got more advanced circuit production, but we urgently need to go and do something about the power failure that we've got going on right now. And we also need to get some... Actually, I don't need to deconstruct that, I just need to get a power pole here. Oop, there. Keep making more solar panels. We now suddenly need them fairly urgently. So yeah, I guess I just overloaded the system with too many things. It was inevitable, I guess. But we can fix it. Well, I guess all that stuff I was saying before was right about needing to always improve the power production, because later on it will not be enough. Now we're later on, I guess. Didn't take that long. So yeah, those are all broken. Sun's rising though, that should be a big help. Has power consumption really gone up that much just from these? I guess there was some really big spikes that... Yeah, they made the accumulators switch on during the day, I think. Maybe, I'm not sure. But that's just no good at all. We nearly have more solar production now than steam engine production, which is good. So yeah, during the night everything just went to pot. And it's daytime, broad daylight, and the power is still broken. Well, this went wrong very quickly, but it looks like solar panel production has improved now because there's more circuits coming through. Not that much more actually, but every little helps. We'll go and put in this other square, and then we will have more solar panel production than steam engine production. It will be a momentous occasion for Factorio environmentalism. or something. There you go. Helps a bit. And now we are charging the accumulators, but only by a tiny amount. We quite urgently need more. So I guess we should try and put some modules in things. If we can actually do that, it might be a bit fiddly. Yeah, there's no more of these been produced because all of the advanced circuits, I guess, are going along one side. If they go along, if they go along the top side, then they all go down into blue science production, and none of it is ever getting to module production. But what we can do is go down to the end of the line and just start hoovering up all the advanced circuits. Little bit cheaty, but I consider it justified. We need more modules to make everything work again. I'll just stand here and hoover these up, and we can put it all into efficiency module production. Whoops, I've just hoovered up a bunch of smart chests, haven't I? Whoops. Have those back, please. There you go. I just want the advanced circuits. Oh, I've done it again, haven't I? Anyway, make those. Here, have these smart chests as well. Need to stand in the right place. There we go. All mine. How much have we got? Over a stack of them. Excellent. Oh, a tree. I'll have that tree. Right, go. Go absolutely nuts. Make all of the efficiency modules that exist in the universe. And we'll set this up actually to produce the efficiency modules level 2, though at the moment we can't do anything with that because we need processing unit production, which we do not yet have. The thing is, now if any advanced circuits come along, they'll go onto the other modules instead, which we don't really care about. Though maybe we could do with some more of this stuff. Actually, yeah, what we'll do is we'll put just enough into there, because I could do with having 4 speed modules and being able to make a level 3 assembler so that I can, for example, assemble refineries and stuff like that for future use. And we have another 3 here. We can go and put them in some mining drills. Someone was asking me before why I'm not putting them into the electric furnaces or any other stuff like that, or like the assemblers or anything. The reasoning is that I use different modules depending on the number of module slots. If something has 3 or 4 module slots, I use 3 level 1 modules, and if something has 2 module slots, then I use 2 level 2 modules. And the reason for this is that way everything is at the minimum 20% of normal power usage, and I could in the meantime put it in so that the furnaces have like 60% less instead of 80% less, but I can't be bothered like moving them around later on, so I'm just putting them all into mining drills, and then once I get level 2s being produced, I'll put those into electric furnaces and chemical plants and things like that use 2. So there's your explanation. Let's grab some more of these. Is there anything else we need more of? I think we're fine actually at the moment for various things. It looks fairly good. Got quite a few electric furnaces on us right now that we don't really need. I guess I can put those into the requester chest for them. Oh, look at the time. We're nearly done. Okay, we'll put those there. Wait, oh, I took them out. Want to put them in. There we go. We've got a ton of wood here. What we should do is grab this and go put it in the one place in our factory that uses wood, because that's a logical thing to do. And we'll have infinite wooden chests and electric poles for all eternity. No, actually it wasn't using them anyway, but whatever. Here, you can have this bit of ore here. Alright, I'm pretty happy with how we went today. Seems pretty good. Zoom out. We'll go this way a bit. Let's go over here. So we can look at all this cool... Look at this. This is mental. The most complicated factory line I've ever built, I guess, because usually, of course, I don't have to craft literally every single item in the game. So yeah, we made good progress today. We got the new smelting area hooked up with some ore. it's supplying things fairly well. It looks like copper and iron are both going quite well at the moment. They've built up over in the circuit factory there. So I guess what we need to do is put yet more circuit production in to try and increase it yet more, so we can get more smart inserters, leading to more blue science. And also we need more advanced circuits to get the modules running properly, so that we can get our power usage down, because it's all broken. But anyway, we will sort all that out in the future. So until then, I shall say goodbye. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time.